Okay guys, hello. I will be doing a 3x3 Rubik's Cube tutorial. So the first thing you have to do is just make the white cross. So when it's here, you just move it out, and then when it's here, you go here, here, and then here. There. This thing is not matching to this thing, so it has to go the other way around. This. And there you go. Just move this up so these two match. And also this one has to go up here. Now you finish the white cross. So now, just do the white side. Oh, okay. So this has to go in here, right? This is just a simple method. There you go. Now you're on this step. This has to match this. So it makes a big, large T. Okay? Big, large T. So this top piece, it has to not go in the center piece. So it has to move away, like this. And now it's in place. Okay, so I skipped the fish step. So all you have to do is this. Just remember that, and then this fish step. I just do this again. You're nearly finished. You just have to do this simple thing that you have to do. Okay, now let's do this. This is not as fast as I can go. So this is what you're supposed to do. That is not the fastest. That's just a tutorial.